Welcome back, everybody. I am Brett Seidl, owner and principal designer of Lewis and Rose Interiors. And today we're talking about, honestly, one of my favorite colors. If you haven't noticed, I pretty much wear this all the time in all my videos. It's what 99% of my wardrobe is, and that is black. And I love black paint colors, even if they're all really nuanced. So I'm gonna share with you 3 of my favorite black paint colors. I'm Brett Seidl, the owner and principal designer of Lewis and Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome. First of our favorite black colors, and it's technically not a black color, but it's one of those, again, like if you're not willing to like 100% commit to doing black, or if you're trying to pitch it to your spouse and be like, oh, it's not actually black, honey. It's Sherwin William's Peppercorn. It's one of the darkest shades of gray that really in large scale can look black, but it's not so deep and so saturated that it's a little bit overwhelming. So Peppercorn is a really great option when you want the idea of black, but you're not willing to kind of go full force all the way to that end of the spectrum. Okay, the second of my favorite black colors is Sherwin William's Iron Ore. This is a really, really fabulous middle of the road black paint color. Because it's not that very, very pure black, and it's not that one that we just talked about, the peppercorn. It doesn't really have, it's not a gray color, but it is a little bit chalky. And so it gives you that dark, saturated depth. If you're really going for that black, it gives you that kind of wow punch factor without it being so dark that, like, if you have accessories in front of it, that they kind of just die into the background because it's so dark. Because I see a lot of people who will use the next color that I'll tell you about, which is a really almost true black, and they'll put it on a lot of their built-ins, and then they get really bummed out when they decorate it with a lot of accessories because it just kind of dies into the dark black. There's no depth. So Iron Ore is a really great one when you want black paint color, but you still want there to be a little bit of contrast with decor, with art, or anything like that. So it's a really, really fantastic black color to use as the middle ground option. For the third one, my personal favorite is Sherwin William's Black Magic. This is the one that I have. I'm actually in my house right now, and I'm looking at it in like 5 different areas. I didn't even realize I used this. My team pointed it out to me, but it's in my kitchen island. It's on my front door. It's on the rails in my staircase. It's in my mud room. So I clearly love Black Magic. This is really one of the best options if you're ready to like be bold, do black, and then just have it live as that really high contrast version of a black color, which is why I selected it, because a lot of my house is that Sherwin Williams pure white paired with Sherwin Williams Black Magic. So that very, very high contrast color. So if you're wanting to do the full black, all end of the spectrum, this is one of my favorite, one of the best options to use. Okay, so those are my 3 favorite top black paint colors. Those are all Sherwin Williams. So remember, at my firm, we prefer to use Sherwin Williams. There are so many other fabulous brands out there, but Sherwin Williams is really, really accessible. The painters love it because there's a Sherwin Williams shop pretty much everywhere. They're the most familiar with them as well. So we like to spec things that make it easier for builds and renovations, and we don't have to do color matching. And so we use Sherwin Williams almost all the time. Okay, you know the drill. If you have any questions, whether it's about black paint colors or rooms in your house that you've used black, we'd love to see them. Drop them in the comments. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will catch you next week on our next video.